Come test drive the 2019 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, power brakes. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.